Hi friends, welcome to the Error Slayer YouTube channel. Today I will show you how to increase sharpness in CapCut. First, import the video or image to which you want to add a sharpness effect into CapCut. Then, press and hold the target video and drag and drop it onto the timeline. After clicking the video in the timeline once, open the Adjust tab in the upper right corner. Then select the basic category and scroll all the way down. You will see the sharpen effect. You can apply the effect by entering a value between 1 and 100. If you prefer, there is another method available. Click the Effects tab in the upper left corner. Type sharpen in the search bar and press enter. Drag and drop one of the sharpness effects you want onto the video in the timeline. If you wish, you can make changes to the effect settings from the upper right corner. I hope this how to increase sharpness in CapCut tutorial video was helpful. If you have any questions, feel free to write them in the comments section. Also, don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel and like the video. Have a good day.